Looks okay, doesn't it? Good boy. You got the top on it? Pretty secure? We gotta get... Hey, don't mess around with that, either one of you. Pretty happy about the popcorn? Starting to pop, Marky boy. Well, you look tall, Mark. You know that? You look like a tall kid. Why don't you go back to back? Don't stand on your toes. Just go back to back. Wow, Marky, you're a whole head taller than Jennifer now. You're a big kid. Okay, some of the popcorn's going on the ground there. And you can pull the plug down. That's it. Hey, hey! One guy.
You put it in our
Oh, we should have one of those too, because that's one of Jennifer's looks, and that's part of her childhood. She's going to look back at this when she's 20 years old and say, I was so cute. Who's the prettiest girl in town?
Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo head tattoo.
And who's the nicest brother? You guys are awful quiet, aren't you? I'm going to move the button down now. Oh, now the white, now it went out, but it's low light.
Daddy, it's going. The lights on. The lights on.
Backlit. Okay. Who's winning over there, boys?
Paging the party losing eyeglasses in the locker area on C concourse. The man losing eyeglasses in the lockers area on C concourse. Please go to C concourse gate number 20 to claim. Eastern Airlines paging Marie Patterson. Please return to the center security checkpoint.
Jennifer! Going to San Francisco. Here we are in the Eastern Airlines terminal, C-28 gate, on our way to San Francisco, leaving at 9:35, arriving 11 a.m. Sunday the 18th of August. Jennifer, a little bit tired, girl. Where are we, Mark? It's San Francisco Bay. Looking down there at Fisherman's Wharf. We're up in Telg.Hill, Coit Tower area. Turn around, we're about halfway up. Coit Tower was packed, so we stopped halfway up and parked the car. I'm going to stop now and give you a view up the hill. Hey! There goes the Marky boy. Hey, Mark! There's the Bay Bridge, not the Golden Gate Bridge. That's going over the San Francisco Bay to Oakland, I guess. Points east from San Francisco. All the sailboats in the harbor. Doing a nice job today. Beautiful scenes. Hills, Marin County area. A lot of sailboats out today. There's the Golden Gate Bridge over there to the left, that red one. Maritime Museum down there. Golden Gate Bridge. You just can't see Alcatraz, that's behind the buildings here. You see Alcatraz from your position, Tom?
No.
What's Alcatraz?
Alcatraz is a prison.
No. Federal penitentiary.
It's a prison. Mommy said it's a prison, so and there's no bridge, so they can't get, the bad guys can't, escape.
Right.
The prisoners.
I don't know these things, Mark.
Mom told me. I'm gonna stand up here.
Okay, this is the extension of Lombard Street. We just came down Lombard Street. Super drive down Lombard Street. That was exciting, wasn't it, Mark? Jennifer, Lombard Street, wiggle waggle. Is Tommy climbing the mountain up there?
I want to climb too.
Whaler boy wearing my whaler shirt.
Anything else, Carter?
This is it, San Francisco Wharf.
Across the street.
There's the bicycle stuff. Dante's. I wonder if that's Dante's from Atlanta, Georgia.
Daddy, let's cross the street.
Oh, he's having lunch now, Mark.
No, he's
You're not going to be able to set her shoulder. I'll take one of you, though. Oh, you got the small one. Okay. Come here.
I didn't want to do it. Down here.
Say kiss. What's the hell?
You guys said you were supposed to be That was like Tom. That was his dad.
Hey, wait. Take the lens cap. Say kiss. Alright.
Oh, I didn't get it.
Get it. One more. There it
One
is.
more. Whoa.
Here's the real man himself. Oh, this guy is serious.
This little black.
This little blackguard, yeah.
There's her. Say kiss. This is Dominique. Say kiss. I told you that was her name.
Rule number 2, you do not have to hold on to the neck, or you do not have to tie the balloon to a knot before you sit on it. You may if you wish. You do not have to. If you choose not to, please hold on to the end if you sit on it, or the balloon will go. It's really sick. It's splatters on the judge, and then takes him into the parking lot next door. And 1, 2, 3! They're off and blowing. Look at him go! Come on, Nixon, you're a fool. How did I prove yours? No. That's 1! That's 2! Hey! We got a winner over here! You got the bottle! You, Nixon, we give 17 days stay, all expenses paid, you may road to.
Not tonight is not an undercover agent for the 3113.
Let's go get it, Paul. Come on, baby.
It's still red.
Here's the cable car turnaround. I'll check the next one that comes out. This guy's about to come up the hill. Ladies and gentlemen, in all its glory is Alcatraz. Central Park every day.
Yeah, this one's open already.
Here's Dellrose Square. We're standing on one of the old schooners, lumber schooners. New National Park that's full of boats. There's Tommy. Don't jump, Tom! Don't jump off the boat! There's the Golden Gate Bridge in the background. Golden Gate!